Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. Some of y'all been asking about what games we're going to have at the tournament here in a couple weeks. It's Friday night at 7 p.m. And so let me give you a rundown on the games we got planned. It may change, but this is most of them. Most I'm going to show you will be the ones that will be. So we got this high speed. It's fully decked out. This one used to be at Pins and Pints, and the hard top was bubbling up on it. It was a failure of the product itself, so they gave me a new one. This is the hardtop 2.0. Just got it installed today. I got a couple of things left. You see the flippers are not quite done, but this one will probably be in it. This is a repair. It's a Lady Luck. This game is possessed. I mean, try beating this game. You're not gonna do it. I mean, somebody needs to call Alex White, because he knows that I got a game for him. He loves these 2-inch flippers on these games. This one is evil. You're playing pinball to get a score, but you're also trying to get 21, and you're playing against the computer. The dealer on this hand had 18, and I busted. I had 22, and you're always going to bust, or you're never going to beat this thing. It cheats. So here's some other games. An F14. What can I say? Most people played an F14 before. This one's all right. Card Whiz, pretty nice Card Whiz. This thing's been gone through all the way, all new plastic, strap targets. So this is the 2-player version of Royal Flush, if you played Royal Flush. Pretty nice game. A black belt. Most of y'all have probably never played a black belt, much less seen one. I have to say, it's not the most fun game in the world, but it is very unique. I will say that. And it's got this shot right in his crotch. He's like, oh, that's kind of cool. Power play, super nice power play. Just finished this up a couple weeks ago. This will be in the tournament. Viper Night Drive. This is another kind of oddball game you don't see very often. So this thing's got 3 black lights, big fluorescent black lights. So in certain modes, all the lights turn off except for the black lights. And the balls are fluorescent also, fluorescent yellow. As is her bikini top. So yeah. Another high speed, probably not going to have this one done. Twilight Zone, super nice Twilight Zone. It plays great. This will be in the tournament probably. Phoenix, this is probably nobody's favorite game, but I've got one and it's ready to roll. Just got through shopping this thing up and getting it all fixed up, so it's ready to go. What else I have? That might be, and I might do it. I've got 3 Captain Fantastics here. One of them's a repair, and I got 2 myself, so I might put one of those in it. I'll have to get through it in the next couple weeks. I got a Bally Star Trek. This game's playable. Doesn't play as well as the one you played up at Token, but it plays. I got a Black Hole. This thing's repaired. I got all these parts here. It's got to be shopped out, which is a pretty big job on this game because I'm going to do a lot of detailed work, so I probably won't get to this one. Got a couple of Corvettes, one there, and there's one back over there. I don't know if I'll get to one of those. I don't know. There'll probably be something else. Oh, the Getaway. This one's ready to go. This was at Pins and Pints also. Had an issue with the flipper, and I pulled it, and it's ready to go. I just got to stand it up. So there'll be like, well, at least 9 or 10 games maybe. Maybe another one, I don't know, maybe less. You never know. So anyway, Jane and I are looking forward to seeing y'all, and hope y'all make it. Adios. Oh, as of last time I looked, there was one more open spot, and usually there'll be a couple of people that say they're coming and don't come. So go ahead and add yourself to the waiting list, and hope to see y'all in a couple weeks. Adios.